Today's lesson is lesson 121, finding the volume of a rectangular prism. So we've worked with cubes before, and if I want to find the volume of a rectangular prism, I'd figure out how many cubes there are inside of it. And to do that, I figure out how many rows there are with how many cubes there are in each row. Okay, it looks kind of like an array. So if I look at my first number, then my first row here at the bottom has 2 cubes in a row, and there are 2 in each row, or 2 cubes in each row, and there are 2 rows. So that would be a 2 by 2 array. Okay. And if I added another layer of cubes, that would be another layer of 2 by 2 cubes. Okay. So if the first layer has 2 times 2, so that's 4 cubes in it. And my second row also has 4 cubes. Then the total volume is going to equal 8 cubes. Okay. To find the volume, we figure out how many cubes are facing me, which are 2. And then we count how many cubes are behind it, and that would be these ones here, so that's 2. And then we want to see how many cubes tall this model is. Okay, and what we can do is we can multiply these numbers together to get my answer. So that'd be 2 times 2 times 2, which we've already discovered is 8. So the volume of this cube is going to be 8 cubes. Okay, on this next picture we can see that I have 3 cubes on this side, 2 cubes on this side here, and then it is 2 cubes tall. So to find the volume of this one, I can multiply these 3 numbers together. I can do 3 times 2 times 2 to get my answer. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So my volume of this one, the volume, which is V, equals 12 cubes. Okay, so on this one, again, we're going to count how many cubes are on this side, how many are on this side, and how many tall there are. It's usually like how many are facing you and how many are behind it. So there are 3 cubes there, 3 cubes behind, and it's 3 cubes tall. So my volume is going to equal the 3 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So my volume is equal to 27 cubes. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.